Hello everyone, we are going to talk about Thrifters LA review and we'll find out that this is a legit or a scam product or website, right? So if you just go to this website here, and this is made on Shopify here, and this is a collection. Let's say I can add to the cart, right? And here you can see this is a pre-made reviews. You can, if you use a Shopify, then you can know that you can give reviews by yourself, right? You can customize each and everything, the stars, words, and everything, right? So this is not complete authenticity, right? And here, if I just go to the bottom, right, they have added the phone number and the email and everything. But when I just came to know, when I was just finding that, from where they are belong. So if I just go and click right here, this is it, but there's a no about us. We can't know who is the founder, where they are located, nothing, right? And I'm not sure that whether this number and email address is 100% true or not. The next thing is that I found some other website which claim this website as a scam here. This is just registered in this year, right? You can see here, same goes for here, right? This website says the same thing, and this is a legitimate website here. And this website claim 11,000 five-star reviews are highly questionable. How can any of the product can get 11,000 five-star reviews? Not four, not three, not one, and I didn't found it over the Trustpilot or any legitimate reviews website, right? So I'm not sure that you should go with it, or if you want to go with it, then make sure you just do your own research and find out whether it's authentic or not. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.